Most home disasters don't start with alarms or flooding. They start small. A drip you ignore. A breaker that trips once, then again. And that's where things get expensive. If you own or rent a home, this matters. Waiting too long on small problems is the fastest way to turn a minor issue into a major repair. Let's talk about the signs your home problem needs expert advice now, not later. Most home problems don't announce themselves. They show up quietly and politely. A slow leak under the sink, lights that flicker once in a while, a room that never seems to reach the right temperature. Because nothing is fully broken yet, it's easy to ignore. That's where most people make the mistake. Plumbing issues often start small. Low water pressure, slow drains, a tiny leak you think you'll get to later. Electrical problems are another big one. Warm outlets, frequent breaker trips, lights that dim for no clear reason. Heating and cooling systems give warnings too. Strange noises, uneven temperatures, systems running non-stop just to keep up. Even appliances? When they start mostly working, guessing can make the damage worse. The internet makes it easy to guess. But home systems aren't one size fits all. What worked for someone else might be outdated, unsafe, or completely wrong for your setup. Random fixes often cost more time and money, creating bigger problems. That's when guessing becomes risky. Getting a clear answer early usually costs far less than fixing a full breakdown later. Sometimes you don't need a repair yet. You just need clarity. One good answer at the right time can save thousands in stress and repairs. If something in your home feels off, trust that instinct. Ignoring it rarely makes it better. Getting expert advice early isn't overreacting. It's being smart. If you want clear, straightforward home guidance without the guesswork, check the link in the description to ask a home expert. Get real answers before small problems turn into big ones.